Bonafide Hustler here. It's early in the morning, and this is day one of Meetup. So I want to take you guys with me and give you guys the experience. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the inside of my kitchen. It's like 6:20 in the morning, and today's the first day of the meetup. So we're gonna open up with a hit workout in the park. We'll play some kickball. We'll go to Barton Springs, all this fun stuff, and we want to take you guys with us. So let's go and knock that out. Getting some prep involved right here, getting some batteries in order, you know, camera stuff, and try to get you guys some good footage. Hit the like button early. I'm not even really awake. I need to get a coffee, but I'm trying to get out of here so we can kind of ditch traffic. So we'll see if that happens. All right, man. Good morning.
Morning.
Ready for a workout?
Ready for it. I'm not sure what we have scheduled for the hit workout. Did you put something together?
I did.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's gonna be good. All right, getting all the packs ready. We're gonna go to the Springs today as well. Got the towels ready. All kinds of good stuff. Board shorts are good. And then we're about to take off. Come on, Eric, let's go.
You ready?
I'm ready. All right, we arrived downtown. We are about an hour early to the little micro hit workout, and we're just chilling here. We're going to Cafe Medici. You've probably seen this in my vlogs. This is one of the better coffee shops in Austin, Texas, and so I want to make sure that they get the experience. You want some good coffee?
Yes.
G.I. Jane over here. I think I'm gonna go with a coffee. Our coffee's any good? Espresso?
Oh, yeah.
Espresso should be good here.
Hey, this coffee's nice.
You like it?
It's really nice.
All right, so
Enjoying it.
it's good stuff.
We'll find a way. We'll manage a way to become late.
Honestly, I think 5 people might show up, something like that. I don't think it's gonna be. It's early in the morning, so I don't think a terrible amount of people are gonna be up. But you never know. Wants to do a hit workout? We're gonna do a hit workout. All right, we're here at Zilker Park. This is where they have the ACL festival. It's a huge park, and we're gonna be meeting people by the volleyball courts down there. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. We got people now. At least 5. That's good. And we're gonna do a little hit workout. Nothing crazy. Should be a lot of fun. And this is what we got on deck today. We have basic high knees, alternating step back lunge, alternating super skaters, air squats, and burpees. We're gonna do 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Proceed down this about 3 to 4 rounds. 5 seconds. Ready, here we go. Air squats, like you're catching a football, get low. All right, put your butt behind you, let's go.
Is that like 120?
How was that workout? You showed up mid workout. How was it?
It was good. It killed me. Great. I actually got an offer for $300 on that train set.
Oh, cool.
I don't know if I want to take it though.
Sangman, how was it? Yeah, good. You look like you're sweating, man. Katie, good?
It was good.
Yeah. All right, we're done with the hit workout. That was awesome. Now we're planning out the kickball portion of it right now. Yeah, kickball's about to go down as well. All right, so we're done with the kickball. Now we're walking to get some smoothies. It's actually still on the schedule. Yeah, it's about a half mile that way. And we're gonna get some really good natural smoothies at a place called Juice Land, which is a local chain. It's really good. We got some peeps behind us. And this is the first day of the meetup, so as we progressively go on, there'll be more and more people. Should be a lot of fun. So we're gonna throw everyone through there to get a smoothie, and there we go. Got the whole crew up there. Having a good time. So we're about to hit the springs here. Yeah, now it's time to show them this town and have some fun. Okay, so we're here at the springs, and we're gonna get the GoPros rigged up and everything like that, because obviously I can put this camera in the water. This is my awesome G7X. So yeah, let's get out here. You know, moving a lot of people is freaking hard, man. So we're done with the springs, so much fun. We're directing the entire crowd to Taco Deli. I'm serious, it's that good. Everyone wants to come here anyway. So had a lot of fun at the springs. If you enjoyed that footage, hit the like button, leave a comment. Yeah, fun stuff. I feel like I've had a lot of sun, feeling great. We got Julbert right there. Green Rumors are arriving at Taco Deli. Hey, let's give them that experience, right?
Came at the right time. Yeah. We're only gonna be there.
That was really good. You like it? Sweet. Yeah. Trying to get some people some dopios. We'll see what happens. What does it smell like?
They had it there.
It smells like you're white the rest of the day.
I love those. Every day I have that pasta. Check it up and after. Wait, he likes it.
I do like
That's a really quiet one.
I've always said it too, there's so many that just taste like straight up burnt flavor.
Tastes like.
It's bad and good at the same time.
Bad and good.
Definitely smells sour. That should still be sour.
Take a sip. Take a sip. Take a sip. Yeah. It's kind of hot.
Does not taste amazing.
Is that weird or?
It's okay. It's definitely caffeine.
What does it taste like, Gilbert?
Yeah, it's incredible.
Oh man. Gilbert has been here 3 years. 3 years in the meetups. At the Hustler Casa right now. I'm actually going to get some things that just sold. So 2 things that sold today, or actually maybe this morning, pair of shoes. Also my old G7X camera sold for 168 bucks, the broken one, so that's pretty cool. Plus 2 Strella hats right there on the bottom. I really need to get some better boxes for the Strella thing, but anyways, we got 2 Strella hats chilling in 2 of those boxes. Those are gonna go out soon. And yeah, I'm pumped up, man. It's like the day is never ending. Meetup week is the craziest week for the admins. There's zero relaxation, zero. Introduce yourself.
Jaleel.
Jaleel, that's right, the other mailman. Good to see you, man. Business is pretty good. We're doing all kinds of crazy things. Here, I'm gonna help you out a little bit. I hardly ever go to the post office these days, man. Evening time in Austin, Texas. We're heading to the special event of the night. Gonna get some sweets. All right, we're at Gordo's down in South Lamar. Made it down here. This place is super awesome. It's called Gordo's Public House. It specializes in donuts and anything that donuts can be converted into. Well, howdy to you too. What's up? Chris. How you doing, man? Margaret over there. There's Margaret. All sorts of peeps.
Yeah, there's no way.
We got the bearded picker here from YouTube. There he is. I don't even know if you can hear me. Just ask Karin. We got Jason Sloan in the back over there. What's up, man?
What's up?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Your wifey?
think I got
flamingo's here.
G7X, huh?
Yeah, I think it's awesome.
That camera.
Good. Right? That's him. Some of the donuts are coming out. They're crazy. Look at this. Look at that. All right, there's my donut. It's called the Squealing Pig. We got candied jalapenos. We have some strawberry jelly, all kinds of weird stuff.
Oh my God, is that who I think it is?
What is this, Steve?
This is the new fat-free, low-sugar donut brownie batter. And it is part of a healthy lifestyle plan.
Sure it is.
Oh, it's got spinach in it, broccoli.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
How was it? Good? How was yours, man? Really good. Look at that.
Harry.
Dirty Harry.
Coconut chocolate syrup, and it's good.
How was it?
It is delicious. Everything was good.